Dear students, today we will learn more about water. We can't live without water. Can you imagine a life without water? I can't imagine a life without water. So, water is very important for us. Animals and plants also need water. See, this is our earth and the blue color indicates the water. Major part of our earth is covered with water. Therefore, earth is also called the blue planet. Water is a natural resource. Water is transparent, it's colorless and tasteless. Now we will discuss the uses of water. We use water in many ways. For example, we use water to drink. We use water to cook food. We use water to bathe. We use water to wash our clothes. We use water to put out fire. And we use water to clean our home. Animals need water for living, bathing, and drinking. They also need water. Plants can't live without water. They need water to prepare their food. So, water is also important for plants. Now, we will discuss the sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater that falls on the ground gets collected in the water bodies like ponds, streams, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. This water is called the surface water. Some rainwater seeps into the ground and gets collected over there. This is called the underground water. We get this water from wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. The snow melting from the mountains turns into water. It flows into waterfalls, rivers, and streams. Now we will discuss about water pollution. Water is made impure by waste product thrown into the rivers from homes and factories. Washing of clothes in the water bodies. Bathing animals in the water. Now we will discuss how we can clean the water. The harmful impurities in the water can be removed by these ways. First way is boiling. Boiling kills the germs. The second way is filtering. Filtering removes the impurities present in the water. Keep water in clean and covered vessels. Don't forget to wash your hands before handling the water. Now we will discuss how we can save the water. Every drop of water is important, so we should not waste the water. Here are some tips to save the water. Turn off the tap when not in use. Repair leaking pipes and taps immediately. Don't wash clothes or bathe animals in the water bodies. Collect rainwater. We can collect rainwater and save water. Thank you.